Hello guys, welcome to Data Analyze project. In this tutorial today, we are going to create a year-on-year casualties. Let's go to create a year-on-year casualties. Okay, we create a current year casualties. We have created previous year casualties. Now we are going to create a year-on-year casualties. So let's come to here again, right click and then new measure. Okay, it's going to create a new okay. Here we want to create a here, here, casualties. Here on here casualties. Now we're going to create a current year casualties. Go to the bracket. Inside bracket, we're going to use current year casualties. Okay. So after current year casualties, we're going to use minus previous year casualties. We are going to divide it by uh, previous year casualties and click enter. Okay, here it's already getting created. Now we are going to guys click here and we are going to use format here. Get a card from here and then to drop it on. Okay, you see here it's giving us 0.12, right? So we are going to using percentage and it will giving us how to using format to this one. Then click guys here, just click like this, it's going to opening us this uh, navigation bar on the top, and then now we are going to use uh, how to use this on percentage. You see here on the top here there is a percentage format here, this one. There's so many things you are going to change from here, you see, but we're going to just click here. So it's going to be, you see, it's changed to percentage here, you see, and we want it to one decimal. This is the two decimal. And look guys, we're going to using one decimal. One decimal 11.9 percentage, you see. So this way guys, you are going to from here also there is so many, okay, currency or decimal numbers, whole numbers, percentage or scientific and the dynamic. So you are going to change whatever you want. It's so easy to using here. So now guys, here also data and then year on year casualties, and then you come to here guys on the left side on measure tools here, measure tools. So many things you are going to guys use to from here to change. Okay, now let's come to here, and we're going to format this one. We don't want it to use in the labels, category labels. Let's come to here, in the background. Okay, let's hide the background. Then okay, come to call out. Okay, here we want to 14%. We want to make small 14. Font size is okay, and we want the bold. And here we're going to change the color. Is our right color. Okay, and yes, now it's look perfect, right? This exactly we want to guys how to using KPIs, right? If you don't know how to using KPIs, let me know. I'm here to help you. I'll go to make this one. Let me just little bit. Okay, and we want this one, right? Okay, now it's look guys perfect, right? So this way, guys, how to create your first KPIs. Now it's everything is look perfect. Now from here, we're just going to visualize our uh, dashboard. It's very easy to create a complete start to end dashboard. So, guys, if you're new here, like and subscribe me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next tutorial. Bye for now.